Hello everyone, today, I'm going to walk you through to this wonderful free Redbubble keyword research tool by Topbubbleindex. With this tool, you'll be able to do niche or keyword research before creating your product. It's 100% free, easy to use, and accurate. Our Redbubble keyword research tool uses Google Trends to generate lists of related queries, related topics, Google Autocomplete, and Google Daily Search trends related to any topic in any niche. The Google algorithm will help you get the best keywords and ideas for your print-on-demand business. And on top of those Google data, our keyword research tool extracts relevant data from Redbubble, namely the competition count, competing shops count, competing shops lists, and the shops entries with their corresponding positions, in order to further your understanding on any topics and niches you want to research on. Let's go ahead and explore the tool. Enter a keyword in the box and click Search. Once done, the uppermost left part of our results are data that are extracted from Redbubble itself. These data will provide you an overall comprehensive idea if your chosen keyword is easy to create a design around or your chosen keyword is hard and very saturated, meaning there are already tons of competition and many people are already on that particular niche. Regardless, you can still put up a design on your chosen idea. The results includes the number of shops that are competing for the first page, as you can see here. The results also includes the lists of shops for you to know more about your competition. On top of that, it will also show you the design entries per shop as well as their corresponding position to have a firm perspective if you can beat these people's designs and give you the confidence on your designs. Next, the uppermost right part of our result is the Google Trends graph. The Google Trends graph will help us visualize and discover trends in people's search behavior within Google Search, Google News, Google Images, Google Shopping, and YouTube. We can also analyze our keyword on various criteria such as regions and time. It is an extremely useful tool when it comes to reviewing our keyword. Topbubbleindex decided to put the Google Trends graph side by side with Redbubble data for you, to compare them easily and in real time as they are already present in one page. If you don't know what is Google Trends yet, well, it is the most important part of our keyword research. Google Trends is a free-to-use online data exploration tool by Google that analyzes the popularity of search terms displayed in graphs. It can also compare the search volume of different terms over time, considering Google's search engine has about 5.6 billion searches per day. In simple terms, it is showing you what people around the world are searching for. Google Trends lets us better understand what audiences are interested in and curious about in real time. Moving on. Just below, we are introduced to the Related Queries section. On this part, the data also came from Google Trends. The Related Queries data can be used for comparative keyword research, discover new keyword ideas, and to discover event-triggered spikes in keyword search volume. Google Trends can reveal the queries people are searching for when they search for your term. Next, just below the Related Queries section is the Related Topics section. When a user searches for a topic on Google, they would also search for something related, which is what you will find in this section. This will help you expand your designs to other possible topics related to your niche. Next is the Keyword Suggestions section. In this section, Google Trends gives us a list of suggested keywords related to our primary keyword. It's a list of additional keywords that can be used to refine our niche in keyword search. Next is the Daily Search Trends. This section highlights searches that jumped significantly in traffic among all searches over Google in the past 24 hours. This section updates hourly. The Topbubbleindex Redbubble keyword research tool provides an analysis of Redbubble results and data from Google Trend Search based on various criteria such as regions and time. All of these data is gathered by Topbubbleindex and conveniently presented all to you in one page. Use these data for your advantage, level up your research game, and propel your print-on-demand business.